Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, April the 13th, 2021. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes, and this binary puzzle will be number 2628. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's comes in one. Double O. Here we have 4 ones in this column. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's in the first row. So the rest are ones. Oh, right. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then. Let me see. Alright. Here we have an O and a 1, and between between the 2 digits we have 2 empty boxes. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So we have a first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this should be an O. Alright. Let me see. I think between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yes. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Oh, right. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Oh, right. Well. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah. This row and that row. O 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O, and we have an O here. This should be a 1. All right. Double one here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finished in 4 minutes. All right. Great binary puzzle. I like this one with only one time comparing with the rows. And yeah, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic one, aka Sugu in Japanese. It will be a 4 stars, so prepare for this one. Could be a hard one, so see you then. Bye bye for now.